Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make a flat circle for any crochet project. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make double crochet stitches. I have videos on those and I will have them listed down below. There are several different ways that you can start your circle. You can use the magic ring. You can start by using the chain and then slip stitch method. Or you can use the chain 4 method, which is what I'm going to be showing you guys today because it's the one that I'm most comfortable with. I have videos on all of those tutorials and I will have them listed down below. You can pick which one you're comfortable with and then start that way. But like I said, I am going to be doing the chain 4 method. So I have already made 4 chains on my hook right here. I'm going to go ahead and start by working double crochets into the first chain that I had made. I'm going to work 10 double crochets into that first chain. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm then going to slip stitch into the first chains, which are those from the chain 4, 3 of those chains are going to count as 1 double crochet. So technically I have 11 double crochet right here because of those 3 chains, and that's going to count throughout your project. 3 chains, if you're using double crochets, are going to count as 1 double crochet. So I've chained 3, so that's 1. So your first row, you're going to work double crochets into your circle that you start, whichever tutorial you pick, right? The second row is where you're going to double those stitches that you made in the first row. So this row, you're going to work 2 double crochet into each of the stitches that you made to double it. So I've made my chain 3, which are going to count as 1, and then going to work 1 double crochet right next to it. It's going to be 2 for this first stitch right here, and then going to work 2 into the next one, and then 2 in each of the stitches around. And it's going to double those stitches that I had made in the first row. And 2 in the last stitch right here. Then going to slip stitch into those first 3 chains that I had made. That's going to be my second row. The third row is going to be the row where you continue to repeat it throughout how big you want to make your circle. So I'm going to start by chain 3. This row, we're going to do 1 double crochet in 1 stitch, 2 in the next, 1 in the next, 2 in the next, and we're going to repeat that. So I've already done 1 because I have my chain 3, which counts as 1. So in this next stitch right here, I'm going to do 2, 1 in the next, 2 in the next stitch, 1 in the next stitch, 2 in the next, and then you're going to repeat that all the way around. Two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Gotta get more yarn, sorry. And then 2. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 3 that I had first made. Now it's going to be your third row. Now, I say that you can repeat the third row for as many rows as you want, and what I mean by that, on your second row, you're going to do 1 double crochet in the first, 1 double crochet in the second, then you're going to do 2 in the third, and you're going to repeat that. 1 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 in the next, and you're going to repeat that. And then the third, obviously the next row is going to be 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2, and you're going to count, if that makes sense. So I'm starting with, I did 1 double crochet for 1, then the 2 in the next. The second row is going to be 2 double crochet, 1 in each stitch, and then 2 in the next. The third, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next. And if that makes sense, you're going to keep repeating that for as many numbers as you want. So I'm going to go ahead and show you on this next row. I'm going to do my second one. So I'm going to chain 3. That's going to count as 1, right? So we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next. That's going to be my 2 double crochet in their separate stitches, and then going to do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. I'm then going to do 1 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet in the next for my 2 singles, then 2 double crochet in the next. I'm then going to repeat that, right? 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 in the next. Gotta get more yarn, I'm sorry. Okay. 1 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet to do the 2 singles, and 2 in the next, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 in the next, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 in the next. One, and 2. Gotta get more yarn again. Sorry, my yarn is being annoying today. I've been having issues. So it's gonna be 2 in that one. Then you're gonna do 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 1, and then 2. I hope this makes sense, guys. So then, like I said, you would repeat it for 3. You'd do 1, 2, 3 double crochet, then the 2 in the next stitch. Same with 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 in the next stitch. And you're just going to continue to repeat that for how many rows that you want. And that is going to be how you make a flat circle. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to leave me any comments or ask any questions if it is confusing in any way. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future videos or future tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.